Hi, my name is Alexandrina Tan McChristy, and I am the head of Department of Marketing here at Zalora. Currently, Zalora is Asia's leading online fashion destination. The reason why Zalora is so successful nowadays is because its core foundation was built by the sweat and tears of its employee to see where it's standing now. At Zalora, we believe that your online shopping experience should be fun and hassle-free. Thus, we make it our goal to make sure that our customer is happy with our service and live with the intention of coming back. As Michael Leboeuf aptly put it, a satisfied customer is the best business strategy of all. Therefore, here at Department of Marketing, my department, we play a crucial role to achieve the company's goal. Why, you may ask? This is because marketing plays a crucial role to attract new prospective customers through the use of advertisement and careful marketing strategy. Do you know that people used to think that the employee of Department of Marketing just wear neckties and work like a block in a wall, just staring at the computer screen all day? They think that our work is so significant compared to other departments such as Department of Finance. And this is true somewhat because when I first started work here at Zalora, I used to have the same mentality that my works is worthless compared to other departments because I don't contribute to anything. However, after working with Zalora for several years and see the success it has come, I finally realized that no, I was totally wrong. No matter how small your department is, as long as you come together as one big family, I believe that you can achieve success together. Now, before I end this speech, I would like to say a very warm welcome to the new recruits for joining in the family. If you must know, all of you were carefully selected out of dozens of resumes because we believe that your knowledge and experience is important and beneficial to our company well-being and also to your own livelihood. If there is any takeaway from my speech today is that while your own self-worth may seem nothing at first, however, I believe that if we all come together and work towards the same goal, I believe that the result will be something really important and really amazing. Once again, I would like to say a very much welcome and thank you for choosing Zalora as your choice of company to work with. This is because Zalora values your importance and being in the company because we believe that every employee can contribute something to this company. Therefore, as Helen Keller once said, alone we can do so little, but together we can do so much. Thank you.